Time now to get a check on Wall Street. ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us now. And Richard, we're starting out the week with some up arrows, which is great news.
Scott, you're absolutely right, because we saw kind of a crazy week last week. Lots of big moves in both directions, but this morning was only higher. Oil moved higher at the open, and that didn't hurt. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up by 130 points at the high of the day, but I have to be honest, this week is all about the Fed, all about their meetings Tuesday and Wednesday. They are expected to make an announcement on interest rates at 2 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon. And wherever that goes, that's where the market will go. But if the Fed does nothing, which many people presume, a lot of people think the market will be just fine. So let's take a look at the figures as they are right now. There you see the Dow is up 96 points, more than 0.5% at 18,220.15 on volume of 419 million shares. The NASDAQ for the day up 0.3%, just over 16 points at 5,260.80. That on volume of 811 million shares. And the S&P makes it a clean sweep, up 0.4%, just over 9 points at 2,148.52. Well, shares of General Motors have moved sharply higher today, up by more than 3% after a major Wall Street brokerage firm increased its investment opinion on the stock. They had an opinion of equal weight. Now it's overweight. They've increased their target on the stock from $29 to $37, and right now it's trading at about $32. General Motors is looking at a possible strike in Canada as early as this evening. That could have some impact, but when a major Wall Street firm comes out and puts a $37 price target on a $32 stock, Scott, that's what makes Wall Street move, and certainly they're looking at better earnings. And frankly, I saw a pretty sharp-looking Corvette on my way to work this morning. I bet that doesn't hurt General Motors stock either.
I'm sure they sell quite a few of those.
Yeah, they absolutely do.
And we'll see you at 5 o'clock with the closing numbers.
And hopefully 3 more up arrows. How's that?
That sounds great. Richard, we'll see you then. Thank you.